Welcome to this instruction video. My name is Vít Dubec and I'm application specialist for the MBA technology. In this video, I will show you the service calibration of our reader. Service calibration is possible only by using service account. To access the service account, which is normally hidden, you need to run the software in service mode. To enter it, you need to right-click on a software icon on your desktop and click on Open File Location. Now look up the service run and double-click on it. Now you're entering the service mode. When the software starts and the device is initialized, select Service User and log in using the password from the manual. Now select Service Calibration. First step in the service calibration is Z-axis configuration. First thing you need to do is select the plate that you're using for the calibration. Nowadays we're using only plastic flat plates, and these two are here for the historical reasons. So once you're selected the plate, press Eject and insert the plastic flat plate, print it side up and the dashes on the inside. Then press Insert. So once the plate is inside, click on Autofind Reference Z and the camera will automatically focus and finds the best calibration itself. At the end, you should get nice and sharp image. After successful calibration, you will receive this message: auto calibration successfully done. If the calibration wasn't successful, you need to focus the camera manually and adjust the blue circle using these arrows on each axis, here and here. And also type in the correct value for Z-axis here. How you do it? You start with some value and then press Go Z. So like this, you step by step adjust the number until the image is matching. So the result must be sharp image and the blue circle is matching the circle on the plate. Also the cross must be centered nicely. So once your image looks like this, press Set Reference Z. Ignore this message. And this will save the coordinates, and then you press Proceed and Save. As you can see, after each step, the data will be sent to the device. Press OK. So the next step is calibration of reference positions. Also here you use auto calibration tools, so press Auto Calibrate Positions. At the end, you receive this message: auto calibration successfully done. So if the calibration isn't successfully done, you do the same thing as in previous step. You try to adjust the blue circle on the plate by using these arrows. So at the end, set the coordinates for the given positions by pressing Set, Insert, or Set A12 or Set H1. Once all these coordinates are set, you can proceed to another step. Again, the same message: the data will be sent to the device. Press OK. So the next step is lights configuration. Before you can start with the calibration of the lights, you need to wait for the lamps to warm up so the light from the lamp is homogenic. So the warm-up time can take up to 10 minutes, but the real time needed depends on how long is the reader on already. Once the lights are warmed up, select the one you want to calibrate. It is either bottom light or top light. Each of these are calibrated with a different plate. Opaque plate, the white one, is for the top light, and the transparent plate is for bottom light. So after you select correct light according to plate inserted, in my case it's top light, fill in your name and press check and fast calibration. The camera will now measure the light intensity and adjust it according to standard values. So if the measured value is correct, you will see a tick over here in the OK field. After the calibration of top light, you need to do the same for the bottom light. So first you need to change the plate. So press the eject button on your reader and insert the transparent plate. Before calibration, you need to set the same Z position. So press Go Z inserted. The camera will focus on the same Z position. Change the bottom light over here. And after you do it, the process is the same. So press check and fast calibration. So as you can see, the sample values match the reference, so we receive a tick. So the calibration was successful. At the end of this step, you can print a PDF calibration report. Simply press print report over here. Here you can see the report. You can export it as a PDF file. Now we can proceed to another step. So the next step is bottom camera, the barcode reading. First thing you need to do is insert the real MBA microplate with the barcodes at the bottom of each wells. Take out the first strip and leave this first position empty so the camera can focus and set the position of the grid. So after you insert the plate, press insert to set it to an insert position focused on the first strip. So when you have the plate in position, click on QR location. This way the camera will locate the grid and focus on the positions where the barcodes should be. By clicking on each square, you can see the coordinates and you can also adjust it over here. Also, you can move with the whole blue frame and adjust its position by changing these values, height, width, and the axis. So once the frame is set correctly in position, you can click on next and move the plate to position of second strip, sorry. Now you can see the barcodes in the frame, so now you can test the camera if the camera can recognize it by pressing test QR button. If the camera can read it, you can see this value over here. So like this, you can also check the other strips by clicking next and moving the plate to the next position. And if you have trouble reading, try to adjust the gain number, the gain value. So this way you can set up the barcode reading. So if the code reading doesn't work 100% in this mode, it doesn't matter because it works slightly different in the real mode. Important thing is to set up the frame and adjust the gain. So once you're done with this process, click proceed and save and go to another step. So the last step of the calibration is reports and backups. All you need to do at this step is to check this box and set the top light limit for 20 hours. Means that after 20 hours, the auto-diagnostic process will be required. Now click Save to finish the calibration process. Now click on this arrow to exit. Exit and return to application selection. Now the device is reinitialized and we're at the end of the whole calibration process. All you need to do now is restart the software so the new calibration data can load in. That's all from my side. Hope you find this video useful and thank you for watching.